Hello again, welcome back to Great Signature. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my Gari Fotor recipe. This is Gari Fotor with a twist. This is upgraded Gari Fotor. Actually, this is Gari Fotor with PhD. This is super healthy. Gari Fotor taken to another level. Yes. And guys, this is amazing. This is fantastic. This is super yummy, finger licking, guys. So come with me to my creative kitchen and let's do cooking. Here I have 2 teaspoons of tomato paste or tomato puree, a pinch of salt. I may or may not use the salt, a teaspoon of curry powder, and in that pink plate I have my red, orange, and yellow mini sweet peppers. So in the absence of mini sweet peppers, you can use bell peppers or mixed peppers. The bell peppers is also known as mixed peppers. And there is 1 medium-sized onion sliced. I'm using a tin of peeled plum tomatoes. If you are using the fresh one, use 5 of those. 1 tin of canned beef, and I think this is 340 grams. And in the other plate is my greens. So there I have some red onions, scallions, also known as spring onions, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 shrimp seasoning tablet, 1 green habanero pepper, coriander, and some cucumber. And of course, you need some oil of your choice. Okay, so that's it right there. And I have in that beautiful bowl 2 cups of gari. All right, so here is my oil. In that oil is my onions, my diced habanero pepper, and then the garlic. I don't know why, for some reason I can't find the clip when I was pouring in the oil and then adding in the onions, the pepper, and then the garlic, so pardon me. And that is my tomato paste in there. I will cook this for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. So next I'll go ahead and blend the peeled plum tomatoes and add the mixture to this. Okay, so I'll give this a good stir and then leave this to simmer for about 10 minutes. And I rinse my blender and then add that in. So I'll cover this and leave it to simmer for about 10 minutes. Alright, so look at that. My stew is really doing amazing. So next I'm going to add in my shrimp tablets and then the curry powder. Give this a good stir, cover it, and allow this to cook or simmer. Okay, so at this point my stew is getting done. So once you see the oil popping up on top of your stew, then you know you are getting there. Alright, so now I've added in my canned beef. I can see that there is a lot of oil in here. Don't worry, I will scoop this, okay? So yeah, I will scoop it at a point. So I will let this cook simmer for about 10 minutes and then taste for salt. Whenever you are cooking with canned beef, make sure you taste for salt before adding in salt because it is very salty. All right, so yes, I'll scoop the oil off. So I'll scoop as much as I can. All right, so now I'll add in my peppers and give this a good stir. So I have tasted for salt, and yes, I don't eat a lot of salt, so for me it's fine. I don't need to add in any salt again. All right, so I will allow this to simmer for about 2 minutes, and my stew is done. So I'll go ahead and garnish this with some scallions and then the red onions. And guys, look at how beautiful this is. Looks so nice. This is very fantastic. It is mouth-watering and finger-licking. And this stew right here will take my Gari Fotor to another level. The flavors, the taste, the aroma, oh my god, will upgrade. Alright, so the stew is done now. So I'll turn off the heat and then leave those to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So next, I'll scoop the amount that I'll need for the Gari Fotor. The amount that I will need for my Gari Fotor into this beautiful bowl here. Yeah, I think this should be enough. And now there is my Gari. I have a little bit of water in there. I will add in a pinch of salt. Give this a good stir, making sure that the salt dissolves. And then next, I'll pour the Gari into a bigger bowl. So with this, you need a bigger bowl, okay? A bowl that is deep because you'll be doing a lot of stirring. All right, I'll level the Gari, give it a shake to level it, and then I'll sprinkle some of the water on it. So we don't want the Gari to get soaked. We want it to be damp. So don't pour the water. You may accidentally pour a lot. So it's better you pour a little bit in your palm and then sprinkle it, okay, on it, just like I am doing in the video. So I'll stir this. Yes, so this is what we like, eh? This is perfection. We don't want the Gari to be soaked in water. It's just damp. All right, so at this point, I'll then add in my stew. And give this a very good stir. Mix it. Make sure that it is well incorporated. And as you are mixing, make sure that the spoon gets to the bottom of your bowl, okay? So Gari is something that you have to make sure the spoon always goes to the bottom, because whenever you are preparing Gari and you do not add enough water or sprinkle, you will see that the top is very, very wet, soaked in water, but the bottom of it, the water would not reach the bottom of your bowl. So you want to make sure that you stir this well, you stir it properly. Make sure the spoon goes to the bottom of the bowl, it touches the bowl, okay? My Gari Fotor is ready, so I'll go ahead and add in my cucumber, the remaining what is the name, coriander. All right, so give this a gentle stir, making sure that the cucumber distributes evenly, And I'll go ahead and garnish this with my coriander. I love coriander. Coriander and oregano are my favorite herbs. They are so amazing. All right, so at this point I'll scoop some of the onions from the stew and then just spread it on top of my Gari Fotor. All right, so yes, I'm garnishing the Gari Fotor. Hey, yeah, Gari Fotor in class. All right, guys, so there you are. My Gari Fotor is ready to be served. And guys, I'll serve myself. You can have this Gari Fotor on its own or with some fish or chicken. But you know me, because I'm from the coastal area, I love my fish. And so I'm going to have my Gari Fotor with some grilled mackerel. Fantini by me and itself. Yes, so it's really nice with the grilled mackerel. So yeah, I always love to have mine with my grilled mackerel. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. And thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time stopping by, a very warm welcome to Great Signature. And make sure before you leave, you subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell, meaning anytime I upload a video, it will go straight into your inbox and you will never miss an upload from me. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate your support to this channel. And guys, do not forget to share my videos with your family and friends. Do not forget to comment down below. I will see you again in my next one. Bye bye.